Hello everyone, this is the third video I'm making about the Xend Finance testnet, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create credit union groups under Esusu and Cooperative Savings. So let's get started. So we're going to move from the dashboard. Moving from the dashboard tab, I'm going to select the Esusu tab here. After selecting the Esusu tab, I don't wait for the groups to load because I'm not willing to join any group, but instead I click on my Esusu groups here. And if you created any existing groups, you will see the groups here. So I have an existing group named for YouTube, but I'm creating a new group. So I'm going to click on create Esusu group. So I can name the group anything I like, for, let me say, for testnet video tutorial. So the name of this group is for testnet video tutorial, and I'll make the symbol the first letter of every word. Okay, it's just 3 words you can use as you can only use three letters as the symbol of the group you're creating. So here I'll click on create Esusu group, and this prompt is smart contract call, which I have to confirm. Alright, so now my transaction has been confirmed and my group would appear here in a short time from now. So let me check again. Alright, so as you can see now, the group for testnet video tutorial is existing because it has been created by me. And here I open the group and I create the cycle stating the parameters I want to use for the cycle. So the deposit amount I can set to any amount, whether 1,000 or 1, as low as 1 or as high as 1,000. So instead I will use 5 so anybody can join, and the cycle duration can be, could be 1, depending, choosing minutes, hours, choosing in between minutes, hours, or days and weeks. I'll choose days instead, and I'll choose 1 day. Then I'll choose the start date I'm going to make today, which is 14th of January 2021, and the start time will be, right now it's 10:13 p.m. West African time, but I'll choose 10:30, which is 16 minutes away from now. Then I'll make the max members that can join 10. And after setting all these parameters, all I need to do is click on create cycle, and it's done. The prompt is smart contract call. I confirm the transaction, and I've successfully created an Esusu group and an Esusu cycle under the Esusu group. So right now we'll open the group. This is the third stage of creating the group. I'll open the group and all the parameters here have been stated. The settings for the group, start time, payout interval, number of slots, the estimated annual percentage yield, the contribution amount, the available balance I have, and my payout date isn't, and the payout date of the group isn't set yet because the group hasn't started, because the cycle hasn't started. So now I'm going to join. So now I'm going to join the group as the creator of the group, the owner of the group. It is not compulsory for me to join actually, but I can create the group for other people to join, as well as create it to join and make other people to join and allow other people to join. But here I'm willing to join. So I'm contributing $5, which is the contribution amount I set earlier. And I'll click on join Esusu group as I just did now. It makes a smart contract call and I pay with testnet BNB tokens. And we wait for it to load, and the transaction has been confirmed. And I make the second confirmation. And finally, I've successfully joined the Esusu cycle I created. So the Esusu cycle cannot get started because the status is pending at the moment. And the reason why the status is pending is because of the fact that you need at least 2 people to start any credit union savings group you create on Xend Finance. So when somebody else joins this group, contributes, when somebody joins this group by contributing 5 BUSD, the person can start the cycle and there will be a payout date set, knowing when everybody is going to get paid. So this is it for joining an Esusu group. I'm going to move right now. Before I move, there is also an option here to share your Esusu cycle group, your Esusu group with your friends that you're willing to invite to join. So you copy the link as I did earlier, link copied. So you copy the link and you can share on WhatsApp, your social media handles, or anywhere else, and your friends can. The link redirects your friends here, and they can sign up. They can just connect their wallet rather. Sorry about that. They can just connect their wallet and join the Esusu group you've created. Now moving to cooperative savings. I just go to my cooperative here because I'm not willing to join a group. I'm willing to create a group. So I have an existing cooperative group here already, but I'm going to create a new cooperative group. And the group here is, I will name the group for the same name I gave the Esusu group for YouTube testnet tutorial, for YouTube testnet tutorial. And I add a symbol. You can only add 3 letters here for the group symbol here to under cooperative savings, and I create group. You should make a smart contract call also, okay, using MetaMask. And don't forget these are testnet tokens, so they are not real tokens. They're actually free just to test the platform because they're building on Binance Smart Chain. And the first step of creating a cooperative savings has just been done. So now the second step is to open the group for YouTube testnet tutorial here. I open the group and okay, let me go back to reload it so it can open properly. go back. I go back to my cooperative and I open. Okay, so I was mistaken earlier. Forgive me. So I now the group is open, but I have to create the cycle for the group here. So the maximum members I will choose for the group should be, let me see, 10. Then I'll choose whether I want the payout to be in hours or days or weeks. Here I'll choose hours and I'll choose every 5 hours. And the stake amount I'll make here 10. And the start date today. Right now it's 10:21 p.m. West African time. So I'll choose 10:30 p.m. West African time and create cycle. So it makes a smart contract call and I confirm. Alright, so the cycle has been created successfully. So the second stage has been done successfully. Now on to the third stage, which is to open the group and choose a desired number of stake you want to add to the group depending on the amount that has been set for contribution, which is 10 BUSD. So I'm choosing 3 as my number of stake and I'm joining the cooperative cycle that I just created. It makes a smart contract call and I confirm paying fees with testnet BNB tokens gotten from the faucet. Okay, so now on to the second confirmation and it's done. So I've successfully joined the cycle. So I cannot move on to the last stage to the fourth stage of this credit union group I've just created because I'm the only depositor in the group for now. But when the total amount of depositors, the total number of depositors is 2 or more, the cycle can actually begin and automatically after every 5 hours there's a payout to every member. So this is all you need to know. If you want to check for your credit union groups, the ones you have created, to know if other people have joined and the cycles have started, all you need to do is go to your dashboard like I just did here, dashboard, and check for cooperative savings. It shows you here for YouTube testnet tutorial. It's the group name, currency BUSD, stake amount 10, total stake amount 3 because I chose 3 as my number of stake. So 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. And the status here is yet to start because nobody else has joined. Same goes for the Esusu group here. It's still pending because nobody is yet to join. Nobody else is yet to join. Here, the group name for testnet video tutorial, currency BUSD, deposit amount 5 USD, and the status here shows pending. When somebody else joins the group, the status here changes from pending to active, and the cycle begins. So, using Xend Finance to create cooperative cycles, to create credit unions under Esusu and cooperative savings is actually easy and is what anybody using the platform for the first time can do and can invite their friends to join. If you like the video and learned something from the video, please like the video on my YouTube page and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to check out the Xend Finance website and social handles on Telegram and Twitter. Bye.